Hello everyone, this is my vintage Dominion box fan. This fan has the roll around stand and I got it for free and it actually looks really good. This fan has been on this roll around stand for a very long time as far as I know, and I've had it for a long time too, probably since 2016, maybe 2017. This fan runs really well. And there's only one issue that I've ever had with it, and that is that sometimes the blades slip on the shaft and then it hits the motor and it makes this horrendous noise because there are these little things on the motor. Yeah, it's like a little rivet, it looks like. When the blades hit that, it makes this terrible noise. And I've had that happen a few times, but other than that, there's no real issues with it. And it has 2 speeds, high and low, and I'm going to start it up. Slow. Sometimes we'll use this fan to blow air up the stairs, like during the winter. The cold air, or the warm air from downstairs will blow up there, and it's really nice. We like to use it sometimes. It doesn't get all that much use, but I'm okay with that because then it kind of preserves the motor a little bit. And considering this is an old fan, it might need that. Anyways, after the video, I'm gonna try and check the date on the fan and see if I can get a specific date and not just that it's really old. But if I were to maybe guess, probably 60s, 70s. Alright, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy. Peace.